I wonder if your truck could haul any.
They're just everywhere, aren't they? Easter Bunny put them on the
Oh man, you got a load.
Wow.
Wonder if there's some hiding around your truck.
It might be.
Don't run over them.
Hello.
You could drive around and find the rest of them, couldn't you?
I bet he could.
There was a leaf. Mommy tricked you.
Did she put
Is it a baton?
Did she put a leaf in there? You tricked him again, Mama.
Don't run over them now. You might have some under the tires.
Uh-oh. That's right. You better get out and check the tires.
How about on the edge? Do one beside
Mm. There might be some over here too. Cody, there might be some on this side.
Oh, there's one. Man, this is fun, isn't it?
You forgot one more back there on that tire. On my side.
It's a lot of eggs, good.
Yeah, it
Mm.
is.
Are you gonna ride around and find the rest of them? Okay.
This is a great place for an egg hunt.
Yeah.
What's inside, Cody? Chocolates? Huh?
Let's see what kind of load you got.
He's got a load.
Woo, man.
It's got more to go, Daddy.
You still got more.
You still got to find some more, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, he's a lucky boy. He gets to drive in a truck and pick up and find his egg.
Let's look over by the trees. I think you might have missed some in those trees. I see some sticking out like they're growing.
Oh, goodness, they're everywhere, aren't they, Cody?
Jump, 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 jump. Hey, you got it. I see some more in the trees.
You do?
Yep, keep going.
Keep going.
Is it another tree?
Keep.
Well, there's a purple one right there. Isn't that funny? That was so funny.
Did we trick you a little bit? You got a lot of chocolate though. There's some on the ground over here, Cody.
One of them cracked.
One of them cracked.
Maybe I just need the egg.
Oh, there's a bunch right there.
This one's a little bit bigger than the other.
It is.
I see some more in the tree.